flour and 25 gram of fat, and another kind of cake requires 100 gram of flour and 50 gram of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no shortage of other ingredient used in making the cakes. Okay. Second question. First of all, we'll understand the question, the meaning of it. One kind of cake requires 200 gram of flour and 250 gram of fat. And another kind of cake requires 100 gram of flour, 50 gram of fat. Find the maximum number of cakes which can be made from 5 kg of flour and 1 kg of fat, assuming that there is no shortage. Okay. So the condition is in other ingredient used to making the cakes. Okay. So one kind of cake. So let the first kind of cakes be X and second kind of cakes be Y. Okay. Should be manufactured. Let one kind of cake be X and other kind of cake be Y should be made. Okay. Got it? One kind of cake be X in numbers and other kinds of cake be Y in numbers should be made. Okay. Now let us see that here the condition is the maximum number of cakes which can be made. Maximum number of cakes. So Z is equal to X plus Y. We'll find out the maximum. Okay. This is considered as a profit equation. After that, it is given that one kind of cake requires 200 gram of flour and 25 gram of fat, and total flour is 5 kg of flour. Okay, we are having a maximum 5 kg of flour. So 200 gram for first, maximum we are having 505 kg of flour. Okay, so subjective constants 5 kg, that means 5000 gram, at least 5000 gram, and this 5000 gram of flour which is used for one kind 200 gram, and for the second it is 100 gram. So 200x plus 100y. This is for flour and for fat. For one kind 25 gram and for second 50 gram. So 25x plus 50y, and fat available at 1 kg, that means 1000. Is it okay? And of course x is greater or equal to 0 and y is greater or equal to 0, because number of cakes will never be negative. Okay. So the feasible reason is determined by the system of constraints. By the system of constraints. Inequalities, given equations 200x plus 100y is equal to 5000. That means we'll make a simplified 2x plus y is equal to 50. And second one is 25x plus 50y is equal to 1000 divided by 25x plus 2y is equal to 40. Okay. So we'll find out two solutions. X is 0 by 50, y 0, x 25. Okay. Here it is x 0 by 20, y 0, x 40. Okay. Because less or equal to 0 both contains origin. Okay. it is also the same contains origin. This is for the profit equation. Here I am going to make it. There is a graph. Scale should be taken. X, Y, 0. Scale is, might take a scale of 5 or scale of 10 should be taken. Scale of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, and it is 50. Okay. First is 0, 50, x 0, y 50, 1. Second 25, 0. You can join it. Contains origin towards the 0, 20 and 40, 0. Okay. Towards the origin, so that and x is greater or equal to 0, y is greater or equal to 0. That means the feasible region is this. Okay. And the corner points. Now there are 4 corner points. O, A, B and C. O. Corner points. O, A, B, C. Okay. O, A, B, C. Profit equation Z is equal to x plus y. O, that is 0, 0. A, what is the value of A? It's 0, 20. B, we don't know. C, it is 25, 0. Okay. 25, 0 C. And now what is B? For finding the B, again 2x plus y is equal to 50, x plus 2y is equal to 40. So when I solve this equation, it is multiplied by 2. 4x plus 2y is equal to 100. It is x plus 2y is equal to 40. Sign change. 3x is equal to 60, x is equal to 20. When I put x is equal to 20, so it is y is equal to 10. Okay, 20, 10. Right? These are the corner points. Z is equal to x plus y. I am going to put the value. So that is 0, 0, 20. It is 20. It is 20 plus 10, 30. And that is 25. So what is the maximum? Maximum. And what is the conclusion? Conclusion is 20x and y is equal to 10. That means one kind of cake. Hence, one kind of cakes are 20 and other kind of cakes are 10 will be made. Okay, for getting, if you want to make a maximum cakes, so you have to make 20 of one kind and 10 of other kind. Okay, if you are using these constants, right? So this is the solution of question number 2. Another question, I want to take it. All the questions are of the same type. I'm taking now question number first, second, third, fourth question. I want to take it. Okay, nuts and bolts are same as fifth one. A factory manufactures two type of screws A and B. Each fifth question I am taking. A factory manufactures two type of screws A and B. Each type of screw requires the use of two machines, an automatic and a hand operated. It takes 4 minutes on the automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture the package of screw A, while it takes 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture the package of B screws. Each machine is available for at the most 4 hours on a day, and the manufacturer can sell a package of screws A at a profit of 7 and screw B as a profit of 10. Assuming that he can sell all the screws he manufactures, how many packages of each type should the factory owner produce in a day in order to maximize his profit, determine the maximum profit. So the last line you will see that it says the how many packages of each type of should be factory made. So I'll consider that X type of A and Y type of B packages of screws should be made. Okay. After that we'll read it and understand it. Let X let number of X packages of screw A and number of Y packages of screws B manufactured by factory. Okay. X type of number of screw A type of X and B type of Y should be manufactured by the factory. It's okay. Now let's start. It takes 4 minutes on automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated machine for packaging A, while it takes 6 minutes on automatic and 3 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture the package of screws B. Each machine is available for at most 4 hours on a day. Each machine is available for at most 4 hours on a day. It's okay. So this is the constants 4 hour at most 4. At most 4 hour on a day. Okay. Condition 1, it takes 4 minutes on automatic and 6 minutes on hand operated machine to manufacture the package of screw A. So 4 minutes for A automated by 6 minutes of B. 4x plus 6y. 4x plus 6y. But it is given in the minute. This is 4 hours. And 4 hours, that means it is 4 multiplied by 60 to 40. Whereas this is also 4 multiplied by 60. Now let us see the handmade second machine. It takes 4 minutes on the automated and 6 minutes on hand operated machine. 6 for screw A and it 6 minutes automatic and 3 minutes hand operated. 6 and 3. 6x plus 3y. Okay. And the profit for screw A rupees 7 and for screw B rupees 10. Profit. So profit equation, profit is equal to 7x plus 10y. Okay. This is a profit equation. X is greater or equal to 0, y is greater or equal to 0. Now let's start. Okay. Again the same thing, the feasible reason. is determined by the system of constraints. Corresponding equations of inequality: 4x plus 6y less or equal to 240 and 6x plus 3y is less or equal to 240. We'll make a simpler form, we'll divide it by 2. So 2x plus 3y less or equal to 120 and divide by 3, 2x plus y is less or equal to 80. Okay. X, y, x, y. Here I want to put x is equal to, because it is 120 is given one number, so 40 will take a scale of 10, 10. I want to put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 40. If I put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 60. Here let us see x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 80, and y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 40. Okay, and both are containing origin. Contains origin. Both contains origin. Okay. Maximum it will go up to 80, scale 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It is y. Okay. 0, 40, x0, y40. 4, 0, 40. Second, 60, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 60, 0. We can join it. And feasible region is towards origin. Contains origin. x0, 80. And x0, y80. And it is 40, 0. Okay. It is also towards the origin. X greater or equal to 0, y greater or equal to 0. So the feasible region is okay. Corner points are 0, 0. It is 0, 40, 40, 0. Now let us see this point 0, A, B, and it is C. Now let us find out B, the point where B is intersecting. So 2x and 2x both are same. By going to subtract 3y minus y, it is 2y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 20. Y is equal to 20, and when I put 20 here, so x is equal to 30. So 30, 20. Okay, this is the accurate. If there's a problem in your graph, so simply you can use elimination method and find out the value of that, so that you are getting exact corner points. Okay, because if the corner points are not exact, you're not getting a perfect answer. So for finding the corner point, I think my suggestion to you, whether in fact you can see that on the graph paper the points are intersecting, but once again you can check it and then you confirm that okay, this is the point, is a corner point, because you know this point is very important. Generally the answers are getting from that point only, not only these corner points. Okay. Making a column, corner point, profit, P is equal to 7x plus 10y. Okay. Corner points are O, A, B, C. O, A, B, and C. O origin, A is 0, 40. B is 30, 20. And of course C is 60, 0. I will put the value in the profit equation. When I put here, so it is coming 0, no profit. Not required. 0 comma 40, it is 0. 40 multiplied by 10, it is 400. Third is 30, 7 3 are 210, and it is 200, so it is 410. It is 7 6 ja 42. 7 6 ja 42. 420. Okay. Surprise. So the result is 60 comma 0. That means the SKU of A type B 60 and B type, the packages of A number of packages of SKU A type B 60 and B type B 0, then you are getting the maximum profit. Let us see the answer. 12.2, question number 5. 12.2. 12.2, question number 5. 30 packages of SKU A and 20 packages of SKU B, the maximum profit is 410. 410, so how this 420 is coming? Oh, sorry. Excuse me. This is correct. 60 comma 0 we are not going to take because the feasible reason is C. This is my mistake. In place of 40 comma 0 I have written here 60 comma 0. So that is 40 comma 0, and 7 4 at 28, 280 is coming. Okay, so that's why I was surprised that how this answer is coming. That is the answer. 410 is a maximum. This is maximum. Okay. Actually, instead of taking C is 40 comma 0, I have taken 60 comma 0. That's why. So 280. This maximum is 410. That means a number of 30 packages of SKU A and 20 packages of SKU B. Okay. A type packages is equal to 30 and B types packages is equal to 20. Should be manufactured by a factory so that getting the maximum profit. Okay. So that is question number 5. I hope you have understood it. One more question I am taking from this exercise. Okay. Because I think maximum questions are of the same type. Maximum questions are given. Like I'm taking this question number 7. A company manufactures two types of this is novelty souvenirs made by the plywood souvenirs of a type A requires 5 minutes each of the cutting and 10 minutes each of the. It's I think the same type of the question which we have already solved. So I want to take question number 9. A diet is to be contain at least 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals. Two foods P1, F1 and F2 are available. Food F1 costs rupees 4 per unit. Food F2 costs rupees 6 per unit. 1 unit of food F1 contains 3 units of vitamin A and 4 units of minerals. 1 unit of food 2 contains 6 units of vitamin A and 3 units of minerals. Formulate this as a linear programming problem. Find the minimum cost for the diet that consists of a mixture of these two foods and also meets the minimal nutritional requirement. Okay, this is also the same type of questions we have done already, but let us see. This is so the line says formulate as a linear programming, find the minimum cost of the diet that consists of a mixture of these two foods. Okay, right. So food F1 and food F2. A diet is to contain at least 80 units of vitamin A and 100 units of minerals. Two food F1 and F2 are available. Food F1 costs rupees 4 per unit, F2 costs rupees 6 per unit. 1 unit of food F1 contains 3 units of vitamin A and 4 units of minerals. 1 unit of food F2 contains 6 units of vitamin A and 3 units of minerals. Formulate this as a linear programming problem. The minimum cost of the diet, okay, to consist a mixture of these two foods, right? So we'll consider that food F1 be X and food F2 be Y. Is it okay? Diet contains at least 80 units of vitamin A. Okay. Right. So F1 type food be X and F2 type food be Y. It's to be mixed. Right. This is question number 9. Let F1 type food be X and F2 type food be Y. Okay. Should be taken in diet. Now let us see the first line which says the diet is to be contains at least 80 unit of vitamin A. At least 80 unit of vitamin A. At least 80 unit vitamin A. Now I'll see the vitamin A consumed in both food F1 and F2. F1 cost rupees 4 per unit and F2 cost rupees 6. Food F1 contains 3 unit vitamin and 6 unit vitamin A. So 3x plus 6y. Okay. So vitamin A, and second one is 100 units of minerals. 100 unit, at least 100 units of minerals. Okay. So let us see the minerals condition. Unit F1 3 units of vitamin A, 4 units of mineral, 4x. Okay. And in the second food 2 contains 6 of vitamin, 3 units of mineral plus 3y. It's okay. And the second line which says, two food F1 F2 available food F1 cost rupees 4 per unit, F2 cost rupees 6 per unit. So cost 4x plus 6y. Okay. Cost 4x plus 6y. Okay. The minimum nutrition required. At the minimum nutrition required. So again coming to that, the same line we'll have to write here the feasible reason or optimal reason. Optimal reason is determined by constraints. Corresponding equations to given inequalities: 3x plus 6y is equal to 80 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 100. Okay. When I put here x is equal to, may I take now here when we are putting 0, so I think the number is coming in the form of decimal. So better to take some integer so that the values are coming in an integer form. Okay. So x is equal to, if I want to put here 10, 30, 80 minus 30, it is 50. No, it's not coming. 12, 36, 15, 3 are 45 and 35. Let us, for this we can do one thing. We will separate one of the term. So 3x is equal to 80 minus 6y. So x is equal to 80 minus 6y upon 3. Okay. Which value should be written here so that, well, multiplied by 6 minus 80 and it is divisible by 3. So may I take here 6, 6 are 36. 6, 6 are 36. 40, it is 44, it's not cancelled. May I put here 5 6 5 is 30, 6 10 is 60, 66, 14. Okay, so let us see, the answer is coming in the form of decimal. It's no problem. Put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to, it is 80 upon 6, that means 40 upon 3. Okay, second way I put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 80 upon 3. Okay, same as here, 4x plus 3y is equal to 100, where I put x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 100 upon 3. When I put y is equal to 0, x is equal to, it is coming 25. Actually, I want the answer in this way. So let us see one more value we are getting from it. 25, 25 and 0. Here I want to take here, suppose 20 or 15. Okay, 3 is given here, so that's why there is a problem. Okay, let us see, we are leaving like that only. And now what is the condition, whether it contains origin, yes or no? So because greater or equal to 0, it does not, both does not contain origin. Both does not contain origin. Okay, am I right here? Both does not contain origin. Got it? Okay. X, it is y 0. 80 upon 3, and this is 100 upon 3, that means scale should be taken as a 10 10 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 10 20 30 40 50 60 70. Okay, first one is 0, 40, 40 upon 3, 40 upon 3, that means it is coming 13 3 is 13 and 13 point something, 10 15, this is 13. Okay, so what is the meaning? 0, 40 upon 3. Okay, second, x0 by, second is x 80 upon 3 by 0, 80 upon 3, 80 upon 3, what does it mean? It is coming 27 3 is 81, 10 20 25 27, this is, so 80 upon 3, 0. Okay, that is one. Away from the origin, it is 0 and 100 upon 3, so 33, 10 20 30, this is 0, 100 upon 3, and it is x 25, it is 25, and like this. Okay, it is also away from it, so that means the feasible points are this. Okay, corner point, corner points, and that cost 4x plus 6y. Okay, corner points, let us see the corner point A, B and C. Okay, A, B and C. The value of A is 0, 100 upon 3. The value of B we don't know. Value of C is, value of C, that means this is the point 80 upon 3 and 0. We are going to find the value of B. For finding the value of B, again we are using elimination method. Multiply it by 2, so it is 6x, sorry, this is as it is 3x plus 6y is equal to 80. It is multiplied by 2, 8x plus 6y is equal to 200. sign change, cancel, minus 5x is equal to minus 120. So 5 to the 24, x is equal to 24. Put x is equal to 24 in any one of the equation. 24 3 ja 72. 24 3 ja 72. 80 minus 72, it is 8. So y is equal to 8 upon 6, 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. 24 and 4 upon 3. Okay. These are the 3 points. Now let us see the minimum, because they are asking that what the cost of it. In the question they are asking, find the minimum cost of diet. Minimum cost of diet. I'll put the value here. So 0. When I put here 6y, 6 in place of y, 100 upon 3. 3 2 ja, so it is 200. That is 24. 24 4 ja 96. 96 plus 6 into 4 upon 3, 2 just 6, 8. 96 plus 8, 104. And that is 80 upon 3. 88 4 ja 32, 320 upon 3. 100. It's a 323. It is 100.8 something. It is 100 point. Just a minute. 4. 8 for 320 divided by 3. 320 divided by 3. 3 1 just 0. So 300 just 300, and it is coming 20. 3 6 just 3 6 just 18. 100.6. Okay. Now let us see, this one is 24. 4 4 just 16. 4 just 96. 96 and 8. 104. Okay. So the minimum is 100.6. Minimum. Let us see, this is question number 9. 12.2. 12.2. Let us see question number 9. Minimum cost rupees 104. Minimum cost rupees 104. So how this 80 and 3 is coming? I think once again I have done the same thing. This is second line. First is 0 and 40 comma 3. Second is 80 upon 3 and 0. This is okay. 80 upon 3. Okay, got it. And here is 0, 100 upon 3. Second is 25 and 0. This is 25 comma 0. Right. This is 0 and 40 upon 3. 0 and 40 upon 3. 80 upon 3 to 0. 80 upon 3 to 0. This is correct. 80 upon 3 to 0. So may I put here 8 4 is 320. 320 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3 0. And again 0 3 6 is 18. Yes. It's okay. 100.6. So the minimum is coming 100.6. They are asking that it's okay when x and y denotes the number of units of food and f to respectively the minimum is okay. Because in this term one thing is clearly mentioned. The question is correct, solution is correct. We can see the line which says one line that we need a minimum maintenance of the nutrients in body. Okay, so mineral cannot be put as a 0, so that's why I think this could be the answer. Okay, see the line which I am reading. Ninth question, the last line says that the diet consists of mixture of these two foods and also meet the minimal nutrition requirement. Minimal nutrition requirement is also required, but here when we are talking about A and C, so there this is, here's a mineral, this vitamin 0, here's a mineral 0, but this is 24 and 4/3 where both nutrients are there, so therefore minimum we have to consider this 104. Okay, because the condition is that both the things are required in a body. The nutrition value is required for both, so the nutrition value for the vitamin 20